deserve.
Does that include Grace? Ambrose hasn't told you. Grace, she's a meta. The night the satellite crashed, she was hit with a piece of shrapnel infected with dark matter. That's why she's in a coma. And now it's changing her.
That's a lie.
And that's why Ambrose told us where to find you. She's afraid. She's afraid you're gonna do the one thing you can't come back from. I know how much you care about Grace. You're trying to make the world a better place for her. She didn't choose to be a meta, but she is. Does that mean she deserves to die?
I would never hurt Grace.
Then you let her grow up in a world of fear, where there's someone out there hurting people like her. The cure. It will heal Grace. And you.
Why should I believe you, Flash?
Because I'm a father too. My daughter, I love her more than I ever thought possible. I would do anything to make the world a better place for her. I think you would too. So do it.